All right, now let's begin our drawing. So the first thing before we start to draw, like what you have learned before this, first you need to work on your layer, right? So please create the layer, that one that exactly the same that you did on your exercise before, right? So we need walls layer, grid line, doors, windows, furniture, toilet, mattress, dimension, what else? Text, just one text. Okay, once I have this, all right, so change the color of each layer. Wall will be changed to red color. Grid line will change to the dark gray here, index color number 8. Doors change to yellow color. Window change to yellow color. Furniture change into magenta. Toilet change to cyan. Hatches change to light gray or index color number 9. Dimensions also change to yellow color. And text change into green color. All right, and then we need to change the grid line here, right? Because only the grid line, the line type is using long dash, short dash, right? So please change this as well. So select the continuous line here and load the line and look for long dash, short dash. Long dash, short dash. Center line. Return. Yeah, right. Okay, use any of this, right? They have a 25 scale, 37 scale. These are actually the sizes they require. All right, so once we load the long dash, short dash, you can click the line, click OK, and apply to the grid line. Right. So you must remember a grid line will require long dash, short dash, line type. Right. Once you're done, close the menu.